Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all my returning subscribers, a million kisses. To the first timers, I hope you keep returning. So today we're going to learn how to do this easy box braids under 2 hours. You can never go wrong with box braids. So this is really quite easy, and it's for those who don't know how to grip very firmly, don't know how to grip at all. This is going to help you. You can do your hair by yourself in under 2 hours, and you can go wherever you want to go to rock that star. Okay, we're going to be using expression hair, and I'm doing color 1. I'm just going to cut it into 2 halves or 2 pieces. I'm going to cut it, and then after that I'm just going to pull it in order to get to, to lose the sharp edges. After that you just comb it out so that it's smooth. And then I've already partitioned my hair, sectioned my hair. As I said, I'm going to do really big box braids. I have like 26 parts on my hair, so I'm going to do 26 box braids. So when I partition, I take the piece I want to use, I cut it into 2, a smaller size and a bigger part. I just place it on my hair, as you can see, like that. The bigger part, I hold it with my finger in the middle, as you see, and then I turn the smaller part around like I'm using thread to plait. After that, you see that I now partition my hair itself into the 2 hair extensions, and then I just braid. I don't know if I'm too fast. If I'm too fast, please just pause, rewind, and watch again. But I'm going to show you again, I think 3 more times, just so that you are confident enough to do it. So as I said, this style it took me a little less than 2 hours to cut the mesh and pull it, and then section my hair. It took me 30 minutes, and then to put the hair itself, to braid it, it took me like less than 1 hour 30 minutes. That left me with less than 2 hours. So if it's your first time, it might take you 2 hours, or maybe just a little above 2 hours, but it's really easy, as I said. And just so you know, if you think it's so hard for you, I'm actually like 8 months pregnant while doing this hair. I'm actually pregnant. And I didn't break a sweat actually, so it's really easy. I just want to encourage you to try it. Don't get discouraged. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did before, so just watch. But what I want to say is that if you have natural hair like me, you need to comb it after you've partitioned it, right? It's moisturized. I moisturize the hair before partitioning. So but when it stays a little bit, the moisture, most of the moisture is no longer that moisturized. So I need to comb it so that to make it a little straight, not too curly. So it's just the same thing, as you can see. So I'm just going to let you watch, and in case you have any problem, you just pause, rewind, and it's quite self-explanatory. Meanwhile, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video, guys. Please support your girl. I'm really trying, guys. Please support me. Like, subscribe, comment, leave me a beautiful comment. If you have a problem, just leave it down there. I'm going to answer, and share my video with your friends. Thank you. 2 hours later, and voila. See, it's really easy, and it's really easy to style everything. Subscribe, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.